Hello paper enthusiasts, my name is Istvan and this is my channel Origami Around. This is one video in a 3-part series. In this one I show the flower, in another video I show the frame it will fit into, David Mitchell's Electra Star kusudama by the way, and in the third one you can watch my papercraft floral kusudama project coming together from start to finish.
Easy origami flower, butterfly origami flower, origami kusudama flower, butterfly origami kusudama, easy kusudama origami flower.
You can find it under many names on YouTube. It's a really very simple design. There are hundreds of tutorials. I think it's impossible to find who made it first. If you do know, feel free to let me know. In fact, it's more papercraft than origami. I came across this design and learned it when I first made table decorations and bouquets for a wedding of friends many years ago. I will show you 2 variations, they are slightly different. I always do a 5-petal version.
Let's begin.
Take a square piece of paper. Fold it in half along the diagonal. I'm going to make it from a large piece of paper, 9 by 9 centimeters, so you can follow more easily. Fold the corners up to the top along the marked lines. Now fold them back. Open this new flap like a bucket. Push it down like this. Make sure that the center lines are aligned. It should now look like this. Repeat the same steps on the flap of the other side of our piece. Make it symmetrical. Now hold it in front of you and fold these 2 corners downwards along the marked lines. Next, fold the sides in half along the marked center line. Repeat the same steps on the right side. It is one finished petal. Now we need to glue these flaps on the sides together like this. This is one of the 5 petals we need to make a complete flower. Now I want to show you a slightly different version. We need to go back to this stage to add a few extra steps. We need to fold the sides of the flap to the center line along the marked lines like this. Now we can fold the flap down. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Fold the flaps in half and glue them together. You may need to adjust the inside a little. These 2 layers of paper can move out of position and create an extra wave that we don't need. Let's compare the 2 versions. I think the second one is much nicer. It has smaller flaps in the middle which makes it look more elegant in a way. It takes a few more folds, yeah, which adds up if you are making a lot of flowers and slows things down, but I think it's worth it. Let me show you how to glue a complete flower. These are made from 5 by 5 centimeter squares, by the way. First, I glue a pair of petals together, then a couple more. Make sure you glue a large enough area between the petals, not just a narrow one, otherwise the flower will look very wonky. As always, I use white craft glue, not regular paper glue. Not only does it dry faster, but it won't oxidize and fall apart months later. In the meantime, the first pair has had time to dry, so I glue the last petal left onto these two. Now we have 3 in 1, and to these 3 I glue the last 2. Voila! I have a few versions to show you. These 2 are used in my current kusudama piece project, with tiny little gems glued in the middle. If you make 12 of the flowers, you can glue them together to make a kusudama ball. If you only glue 6 of them together, you have a half ball, a table decoration kind of thing like this. Look around YouTube, like I said, thousands of tutorials already made. And to pique your interest, these are my finished project pieces. If you want to know how they were made, check out my 2 related videos. If you like my content, please support me with a like and subscribe to the channel. This can help me continue to make these tutorial videos for you guys. You can also support me on Patreon or on Ko-fi. Thanks for watching, have fun building. Bye bye.